welcome back to Lego Build. I'm Parth, and today I'm going to be showing you this Lego Ultimate Puzzle Box I have been making and how it works and how even you can build it. And so let's get started. But first of all, be sure to like and subscribe to this video and to my channel, and be sure to share this video with your friends because this is a really amazing video. So let's get started. So my Lego house is, my Lego puzzle box. This is how it looks. So there are two levels of this puzzle box. Level 1 and level 2 down here. So yeah, as you see, here's a magnet right here. So there's like a whole like a puzzle you have to solve using this magnet. So now I'm gonna solve it. How about here? Okay. Here. No. So there's probably a wall under here. Oh my gosh! That just came out. Okay, now I'm gonna take it. And here I see a little hole. So I'm just gonna push in that little hole. Like that. Let's see if it works. Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. I just found a little box. A big box full of Lego triggers. So let's see what we've got in here. So we've got some binoculars, a big diamond, and some food right there. Looks great. So I'm gonna put it back in my chest and put that chest back in here. Yeah. And that allows me to take my key. Whoops. Okay guys, so let's get on with how it works. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. I'm just getting both of the levels. That's a bit hard, guys, so you might want to wait a bit. Oh no, I broke it. Okay, it's still good, it's still good. Okay, so guys, let's get on with the first level. So, this is the first level. So, I'm gonna take this out. And so here you see, I have another little same kind of magnet. And these both stick together. And so if I put this one in here, like that. So it starts from here, and I take this magnet and put it like this. Let's example the magnet's right there, and then I move it like this, and then it goes here, and this magnet pushes this little key out. So then I take the key. So first of all, how to build it is really easy. Just take some plates. I use 12 by 12 and put some bricks here. This was my kind of puzzle. You can also make a new design, like example from here, and here. But I think for that you'll need the bigger the plate you have, the better it is, because then you can make the magnet move further, and the locks are even stronger then. And you can even put more things in the little box. So let's pretend we get that out. We'll put the magnet back in. Don't forget. Okay. So here, you might want to put some wall pieces right here. Here's some wall. Here's a little wall too, to hold our little chest in place. Now we get to the second part. This one's not that easy. It's pretty easy, but it doesn't really have so much mechanism. So that's why. So all you have to do is just get a 12x12 plate again, or a bigger one, and then put some bricks around here. And then we're gonna take a chest, build a chest, and put some flat tiles right here. It leaves some space in here like that, and also leave some space over here, and the rest you can cover with flat tiles. And then that's because when the top part is closed, it's harder to put this in when everything is flat tiled. But when you have a little space right there, because there is no flat tiles, you have a little space where you can push it in and then it goes in. So that is a really good technique you can use. So then you need to use this little flat tile here, 1x2 flat tile, and it's a double wall. And then you are going to take your key and just slide it in like that. You can even make a smaller box if you want. I made it bigger so you can put more things, but you can make a smaller box. So then you have to push this key a lot further. And then what you do is just attach it right here, like that. And then what you do is, you see we have got a little hole there. You need to try to make the same hole like that. And if you use a bigger key or a thicker key, then you need to make a bigger hole. And then we're just gonna put the key in there. And once I push it, the box comes out. So it's just like you push this one in, and this one comes out. It's like you push this one in, this one comes out. It's just like one mechanism. So it's not that hard, but so this whole puzzle box has 2 mechanisms in it. I would say it turned out really good. And so that was it for today, guys. Is that broken? Why is that broken? No idea, guys. Oh, I think that's a box. Where's the box? Oh no, guys. I need to get the box out. I just put it in the box the wrong way. So guys, that's also a problem. If you put the box in the wrong way, other people might know how to open that box. So remember to put the box in the correct way. And so that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and be sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.